design thinking, the way I like to describe it is that it's a very structured and disciplined way for an organisation to understand who its customer is, put it at the centre of their strategy, and then align their business model to that customer understanding. So it's very much a process of getting the firm to really understand who its customer is. A key element of actually implementing design thinking in any organisation is having your top leadership support. This is not a bottom-up approach. It really requires top-down strategy, which then will diffuse across the organisation. I think the first step is realising it's not a quick win. Implementation of design thinking for your strategy takes a period of time and a period of adjustment that requires whole of organisational thinking. The pros is you can actually get some quick wins early on to actually keep the momentum going and to show what this actually means inside an organisation. So for me, the first pro is yes, you can get something quite quickly, but then that has to actually build across the whole organisation, but it does take time. I think the biggest skill capability shift is actually realising that we don't have all the answers as leaders. We really need to take a step back and actually understand what's the problem we're solving, take the time to really frame that problem before jumping to a solution. Now that sounds really quite easy in saying those words, but in reality that's one of the hardest shifts I've seen any firm try to overcome. That inertia of leadership knowing the answer and rushing to a solution needs to be stopped. The tips I would give a firm is don't start it if you're not ready. This is not something you can just dabble in. You can start to trial some of the design thinking concepts, but really to get a full adoption of what design thinking is, you need that senior leadership support. I think the other tip about actually starting a design journey is don't wait for a burning platform. Create it yourself. If you're actually in a time of crisis, design actually is generally too late. You really do need to actually give yourself a long runway to actually implement this.